So I left a little later than I wanted to, but I'm on my way to Tiny Fest Northwest in Eugene, Oregon. I took the scenic route, which if I get a good shot, I'll show you. There's the ocean. Driving up, you know, there's not really much going on. I didn't plan anything. I want to possibly get some night shots of the Golden Gate Bridge. I'm expected to get into San Francisco at like 9 o'clock tonight or something like that. I might make a stop tomorrow in the Redwoods, depending on what time I wake up, depending on what time I go to bed tonight, depending on where I sleep. I don't really know. I'm so close to the ocean, I could throw a rock into it. According to this sign right here, I got 314 miles to San Francisco. So you have ocean on one side, you have beautiful canyons on the other. Absolutely stunning. If you ever get a chance to drive Route 1 or the 101 during daylight, it's beautiful. I intentionally didn't plan anything out. I intentionally did not plan where I was going to sleep because I wanted a taste of what it was going to be like to live on the road. Figure it out, you know, and that's part of the adventure. That's part of this journey right now. Like that nervous, excited feeling. All right, guys, here's the deal. I'm in San Francisco now, and I'm obviously in the house portion of my van. I put into the GPS the Golden Gate Bridge because I wanted to get some night shots of the Golden Gate Bridge. Coming up to the Golden Gate Bridge, there was several signs that said heavy, dense fog. I mean, obviously, it's San Francisco. It's like they got a lot of fog. It's a bay. It's the Bay Area. Now, my dad is a photographer. Amateur photographer, but a good one. He gave me instructions on where to go to get the best pictures. I actually got up to there, but the fog was so dense, you couldn't see 100 feet in front of you. There was no pictures to be taken. So I found a parking spot that was up there. Obviously, it's like a vista point. I just parked, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait it out. It's 24 hours. We'll just sleep here for the night. Now there were like rangers or somebody going by with lights. So now I'm at a hotel motel parking lot about 10 minutes away. Like, I found like 7 or 8 construction trucks, work trucks, and I just parked next to them because I look like one of them. Wake up early and see how the fog is. And oh, by the way, the reason I didn't sleep up there was because the wind was so my van was shaking. I was in the back of it. I was in this portion of it, and it was like it was rocking back. I'm gonna get like motion sickness if I'm back here. Hopefully the fog lets up in the morning. If it doesn't, I ain't getting shots. I'm not gonna be getting any good shots of the Golden Gate Bridge, fortunately. Well, here's the problem. I'm actually at the Golden Gate right now. I'll even show you. The problem is, it is extremely foggy. It's like 9 something in the morning. I mean, it's beautiful, but you can't really see much, so I can't wait here all day, unfortunately. I got no mic on. I really hope this is picking this up. It's nice up here, though. I like it. On to the next. As you can maybe see behind me, the fog is so bad, I don't know if I'm going to be able to enjoy the national park I went to, which was right down the street from where I stayed. It's pretty dense, and I'm still like 10 minutes away, and it's getting worse as I go. It's not undrivable. I can definitely drive in it, but it's like, why am I going to go and waste a half hour of my day? By the way, the air is actually really crisp up here. It's nice. I don't know, maybe because it's cold. Will this fit?
This will not fit through the tree. You would have to go around the tree.
Damn tree. What's the height requirement?
It's about 6'8".
Okay, only 6'8", huh? Yeah. But I got about a 9'6" on this, so yeah. We're gonna say no. I can't fit inside here, but I can walk through the thing. Let's walk through it. Apparently only 6'8", but I don't believe that. Holy sh**. Holy moly. There you go. So I might wait here while this SUV attempts to go through this, because I don't think they're gonna make it. Let's go check it out. Let's see if this works.
Let's see if we can get the all suburban crew.
Very nice people, by the way.
Well,
very
I
nice.
don't think it's a great idea, but...
Yeah.
Hold on now, go.
Nope. Okay, they actually made it, which I'm impressed by. They made it through. It took them a while, and I didn't want to, you know, video the whole thing, but they did make it. I'm impressed. Good for them. All right, I'm getting back on the road. All right, so I've decided to, while I was at my last destination, that big tree there, I got some information from the woman that was running the park. She told me to go to this place called Avenue of the Giants. I just got off the 101 freeway. I'm gonna put the GoPro in the dash, and I'll run it, and we'll just see how it works out. Okay, these trees are crazy. I've never been up here before. I've never seen this stuff before. Damn. These things are massive. Let me just walk around here. Look at this guy. Whoa. That is cool. That is cool. And I have my ultra wide lens on, which is 10 millimeters, and it's wow. Look at these beauties. Found some elk on the side of the road. I think that might be somebody's house. These guys are cool though. Alright, get back on the road. Alright guys, I am beat. I was gonna stop along the way to Eugene gym or something so I get a workout in, but instead I pushed through and I drove straight to Eugene, Oregon. Found a Planet Fitness up here. I'm not a member of Planet Fitness, but I did just walk inside and asked if I could just use it for the day. And they were gonna charge me. It was just one girl and she was really nice, and I may have turned on a little charm. She let me work out free today. Anyways, I'm gonna go inside, work out real quick. Probably not get much done, to be honest with you. Probably just take a shower. Although I have a shower here, but still, it's just easier to use the gym. Hope you guys enjoy my travels up there, up to Eugene. You know, it's interesting because this was like a trial and error. This was like see what it's like living on the road. I got to do very, very little adventuring, and I hope to do a lot more in the future, but I mean, this is what living on the road is going to be. I do live in, you know, my van full time, but I'm mostly around the Los Angeles area. Really, I haven't really traveled to the extent that I want to travel in it. This is all part of my plan. I caught a bug. I caught a bug of like, I really, really want to do this now. This is a lot of fun for me. This is what I want. This is fun. This is what I enjoy. I'm a little tired right now, and my enthusiasm might not be there, but I promise you I'm excited. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. Stand-up comedian that lives in a van. No, not down by the river, but sometimes. If you have any thoughts or things that you want to see me do, or maybe go over on the van, or vlog about, just comment below, because I'm open to suggestions. Again, what you want to see in the van, like in particular, I will do that. I will do that for everybody. So, all right, thanks again.